Welcome to this tutorial video. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing 3 important actions that can help you analyze your data more efficiently, making charts, group by, and pivot tables. Let's start with the first action, making charts. Creating a chart is a powerful way to visualize your data and make it more meaningful. With just a few clicks, you can create charts that represent your data in different ways such as pie charts, bar graphs, line charts, and more. Not only do charts make your data more visually appealing, but they also help you see trends and patterns that might be hard to identify otherwise. To open the chart window, press on Actions. Next, press on Chart. Here you have the option to create a chart and choose between the 4 types: bar chart, line with area, pie chart, and line chart. Let's take the following example. I want to visualize how much each customer is buying from me. So, first step is to choose type of the chart. I will choose pie chart for my example. Next step is to choose the column to be used as the label in the chart. In my case, I will choose customer name. After that, choose the column that to be used as the value in the chart. I will choose amount include tax. Last step is to pick the function to be performed on the value. I will pick the sum function. Please note that you can sort the chart according to label or value. When you are done editing, press Apply. As you can see here, a pie chart has been created. You can return back to the table view by pressing the table button beside the search bar. Now, let's move on to the second function, Group By. Group By is an effective way to organize and summarize your data. With Group By, you can group your data by a specific column, such as name, category, or location, and then calculate summary statistics such as average, sum, or count for each group. This helps you quickly identify patterns and trends in your data, and make more informed decisions. To open the Group By window, click on Actions. Then Group By. To begin grouping, choose the columns that you want to group. You can add up to 8 columns at once. In my case, I will choose customer name column. Then choose the columns to aggregate along with the function to be performed such as sum, average, and many more. I will choose the sum function along with amount include tax column to calculate the total sales for each customer. You can write a custom label for the new column that will be created. Choose a format or keep it as it is. If you want to display the sum of the column, enable the sum switch. Last step is to press Apply. As you can see here, the data has been grouped as we wanted and it's displaying the sum of amount include tax in the second column. Finally, let's discuss the third function, pivot tables. Pivot tables are one of the most powerful functions of tables. They enable you to summarize and analyze large amounts of data in a few clicks. It allows you to see your data from different angles and analyze it in a more meaningful way. To create a pivot table, press on Actions. Then press on Pivot. From this window you will create your pivot table. First step is to choose the columns of the pivot table. In my case, I will choose Sales Organization column. Next step is to choose what will be displayed in rows. I will choose Customer Account Group. Next is to choose the columns to aggregate along with the function to be performed. I will choose the sum function with amount include tax column. You can write a custom label for the new column that will be created. Choose a format or keep it as it is. If you want to display the sum of the column, enable the sum switch. Last step is to press Apply. As you can see, we have created a pivot table in a few simple steps. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found this helpful and informative. Remember, making charts, group by, and pivot tables are powerful functions that can help you better understand your data and make better decisions. Thanks for watching.